Hello everyone, it's me Nicole from Perfect Shades Cosmetics Centurion, and as you can see I have already done my makeup for today. So what I did is I applied my skincare routine this morning. So I already completed my skincare routine with my vitamin C face wash, with the serum and the day and the night cream. Then I put some of my SPF 50 primer all over my face, latte corrector for the dark circles and the marks that I have, and then all over my face the ivory foundation. Blended it all in with my number 5 powder after I blended in my foundation. And then setting spray, of course. And I also did my eyes. And no, I do not have blue eyeliner at the top. This is something really cool that Charlotte taught me. So I took my Endless Possibilities palette and I scraped out some of my blue. This color is called Date Night. So I scraped some of it out in one of my powder lids. I actually want to get a mixing plate, and I took my fixing spray and I sprayed it into some of the eyeshadow that I took out, and I mixed it so it was like a wet paste. And I took one of my brushes. You can use an eyebrow brush, or you can use like a brush that looks like an eyeliner brush. I use that one. I just want to show you. Oh, here it is. There we go. I took this one. You can see the blue still on it. And I drew the line. And I obviously used tape to do my eyes, like the video I did yesterday. But today I'm specifically going to show you how to apply eyelashes. A really kind lady asked to see a video of how she can apply eyelashes, and I'm really happy to do that today. So I'm going to use these eyelashes today. So there are many different kinds of eyelashes. There are classic eyelashes, a little bit more bold. So classic, I mean natural. And then there are really bold ones too. So there's no specific eyelash I really go for. I don't really go for the really natural one that basically just gives you the length. I like the more bold ones. I think these ones are the most natural I'll go. And you can wear one pair about 4 times. At night when you pull them off, you just clean them and take off the glue, and then you can wear them again. So about 4 times. Yes. So I'm going to show you how to apply them. So I'm just going to take them out. When you look at your lashes, the lashes with the side where there's shorter hair, those are the lashes that comes in the front. So I can see on this lash there are shorter lashes in the front there, so that means it should be in the front. The long hair mustn't be at the front, the long hair must be at the back. So all lashes have like these little hairs in front on the one side, then you know, okay, that's the front part and the longer side is the back part. So you can use tweezers. To be honest, I don't use tweezers because it's much easier for me to apply it with my fingers. I do, however, use the tweezers just to push them back afterwards. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue, your eyelash glue, and you see the black strip. You're going to apply your glue on the black strip, just like a drop. You must just see, oh, I can see there is glue on the strip. There we go. And then the trick about it is do not apply it immediately onto the eye because it won't stick. Eyelash glue first needs to get a little bit sticky before you apply it. So like I said, you just wait a little bit, a minute or so, a minute max to be honest. And yeah, at night when you pull them off, you just pull the glue as well from the strip, and then tomorrow you can wear them again. So you can wear them a few times. One pair you can wear a few times. Yes, I would recommend not getting the glue because most eyelashes you buy from the store doesn't come with the glue. You need to purchase it separately, but I would recommend not getting like this tubey one because I've noticed that it messes a lot. If you press a little bit too hard, it falls over the lash hair and even on the floor, or like sometimes there would be like a big drop on the eyelash and then it actually goes onto the eyelash hair as well. There is some eyelash glue that it's like when you pull it out, it has a little stick to the lid, and then you apply the glue, which is much easier, less of a mess. So I would definitely recommend that. If you want to speed up the process, you can just blow it as well. So let me see. Okay, this one is for my left eye because I can see the short hairs at the front. So what you're going to do, let me just get my mirror, sorry. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply it onto your eye here, but as close to your natural eyelashes as possible. Otherwise you would be able to see your natural eyelashes and your fake eyelashes are not together. You can see them separately. So trying to get them as close as possible so that there's not a separation between the fake lashes and the natural lashes. So yeah, now I apply it with my fingers, or you can take the tweezers. I think the tweezers are a little bit harder for me to do. And you're just going to, sometimes eyelashes are a little bit like long because there are not different sizes in eyelashes that I've really seen. So if they are too big for your eye, cut them. If you don't want them to be so bold, cut them in half, and you can just apply it at the end so that it just flares there at the end. So you can cut them. And then you just basically put it on, just like let it fall onto place. So now I'm just going to stick it and push it back. So what I usually do is I take the tweezers, but I misplaced my tweezers. So I'm going to use something else and show you how I basically push it back. Okay, I'm just going to take this little tool that you use for your nails. So what I do is I literally go onto the strip and I just push it down. And just make sure that the front and the back is stuck properly, because otherwise it lifts. And then it doesn't look that great. So I just push it on the strip everywhere, like in the front and at the back. And before I applied my lashes, I already applied mascara, because when you do your eyes and your foundation, the product goes onto your natural eyelashes, and then your natural eyelashes are not dark anymore. So then it doesn't blend well with the fake lashes, because the fake lashes are dark and your natural lashes are dark too. So I just apply mascara before I apply the lashes so that it is the same color. Okay, that's basically it. I just push it back, make sure everything is onto the skin as close as possible towards my natural eyelashes, so that there isn't like a separation between the two. I do recommend, if it's maybe like your first time doing it, use black eyeliner, because the first few times maybe you won't get it as close to your natural eyelashes. You will get it close enough, but if you will wear like a blue or a different color liner, you would see the separation, where the black liner at the top will actually disguise that little gap until you practice more, just applying it every day or every second day, until you see, oh, okay, I actually got it close now. So then you know. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So now I'm quickly going to do the other eye. Okay, so I already applied the glue on this lash, so now I'm just going to wait for it to dry. You can blow it too. If you put it on someone else's eye, then just wave it in the air or in front of a fan, or just wait. Like I said, it's maximum a minute. However, like this tube actually says specifically, let the glue set for 30 seconds until sticky. So this one actually says 30 seconds. Okay, but yes, like I said, I won't recommend getting the tube. I would recommend the one that you turn out and it actually has like a stick part. So I'm just going to wait until it dries. Yes. So it's actually very easy. You just wait until it's sticky. The reason why you wait until it's sticky is because it won't stick if you put it on directly. So all I do is, like I said, you can apply it with tweezers. So instead of holding it with your fingers, you are holding it with your tweezers. But I find that a little bit more difficult for myself. So I like to apply it with my fingers because it feels like I have more control. Then I'll try to apply it like almost onto my natural lashes to be as close as possible. So I applied it. This is where I want it to be. So I'm going to take my little tool again. And I'm just going to press it down on that black strip where the glue, I applied the glue. And even if you didn't apply the lashes as close to your natural eyelash, then you can also push it back with your tweezers or your little tool, whatever you want to use. I even used like a bobby pin grip before, like one of these things, to push it back as well. Then I just push it back just to put it into place. There you go. Oh, and like I said before, I applied my lashes, I already applied my mascara, because product goes on when you do your face and your eyes, product goes on to your eyes, your eyelashes, and then your eyelashes are not dark anymore. And even if you do not have like dark eyelashes, you have lighter eyelashes, then also the mascara just helps to make it dark as well, just for the natural lashes and the fake lashes to blend in well. Sorry, I'm just taking my natural, I can see my natural lash here. There we go. There we go. Okay. That natural lash was like at the bottom. I don't know why, but I fixed it. And I just push it down. And that's all. And you're done. You've got your lashes for the day. Let me quickly brush my hair. Okay, I brushed my hair. I never do effort with my hair, so this morning I straightened it. Okay, so, and that's all. There are your lashes. And you can use any kind of lashes you want. If they're too long, cut them a little bit shorter. If you just want it to look super natural, but you have these bold lashes, cut them in half and just put them towards the end. And yes, it is better and easier if you wear black liner at the top, because then it just, everything suits well, and especially if you didn't apply it as close to your natural lashes. But yeah, that is it. I hope it helps, and try it and let me know if you got it. Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh, and stay tuned, because soon I will be able to assist you in Centurion with all your makeup and skincare needs. Bye.